Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This your big homie Jed. You're rocking with the Retro Insider YouTube channel. Thank you so much for checking out the video, all you new and returning visitors. Now, I got a couple boxes here, so I'm gonna let you guys kind of decide what shoe that I put on the channel next. We got a New Balance, and then we have a white box. You can see the 3 stripes there. You might already know what it is, especially if you follow the Retro Insider on Instagram. But I just kind of want to let you guys in on the process and decide which shoe you want to see next. Do you want to see the Retro Surf, the New Balance 997H, which is very dope? Or do you want to see one of the Ivy Park Adidas Nite Joggers? Let me know in the comments which shoe you would like to see me unbox and review next, man. So I got to get out of here. My voice is tripping, man. Hopefully I don't have that damn coronavirus. No, that's not even a funny situation. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to come and ask you guys what you wanted to see on the channel next. So let me know. And by the end of the day, I'll probably be shooting, I'll probably shoot both videos, but I'll put them up later, whichever one you guys decide. But anyways, thank you so much for participating and being supporters. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Until next time, stay humble and proceed.